Okay, now listen all of you. I had already uploaded the objectives in the Google Classroom yesterday, and that was given to you as the homework. As you know, Monday is your homework day and Wednesday is your submission day. So you are going to submit question 1, 2, 3 and 4 on or before Wednesday, that is tomorrow. कल रात को 12 बजे से पहले I want your question 1, 2, 3, 4 of chapter 6 to be sent in the classroom. Okay, now just look at your page number 39 of the workbook. Page 39 में actually I have made the corrections. ध्रुवराज बातें करनी है तो मीटिंग बंद. Yes, better let me complete first. Page 39 of the workbook, look at the fill in the blank number 2. The British increased their income due to the Diwani rule. It's DIWANI. वैसे मैंने उसमें भी करेक्शन किया है, but just to confirm it is Diwani. Okay? Then fill in the blank 5. उसी पेज में look at the blank number 5. During Lord Cornwallis' tenure, Warren Hastings had to collect revenue. The answer is Warren Hastings. वो शायद उसमें missing होगा. I'm writing on the whiteboard. If you want, you can copy this. This is fill in the blank number 5. The answer is Warren Hastings. Okay, and to true or false number 6. True or false number 6 पे चले जाओ. Mahatma Gandhi called English education as Swarajya education, and that is false. Okay, तो वहां पर जो लिखा है स्वराज्य, हम उसको कट करके या तो अंडरलाइन करके लिखेंगे स्लेव एजुकेशन. ये 2-3 चेंजेस है जो मैंने क्लासरूम में तो डाले ही है, बट इफ यू वांट यू कैन डू इट जस्ट नाउ इटसेल्फ, सो दैट उसमें अगर आप मिस कर दो तो यू कैन बी कंफर्म. ओके, सो नंबर 1 fill in the blank number 2 Diwani. Second, fill in the blank number 5 Warren Hastings. And third, true or false number 6 Swarajya education के बदले slave education. Now if anybody has any doubts, you just raise your hand. I will ask you one by one. Any doubts, anybody? आई मतलब कौन? I cannot see any raised hand. Yes, Vaidya Radhika बोल. Okay, now you all should be on your page 40 of the workbook, and we have to start with 3.3. Answer number 3.3. How did the peasants of India become economically poor? That is the question. And the answer is on page 32. See the title, Condition of Peasants. Second line, last word. What is the last word? दे. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? दे को कट करके लिखेंगे ब्रिटिश. The answer in your textbook starts with they. ठीक है, हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Cancel the word they and write down British. I repeat, 5.3, page 32, title Condition of Peasants, second line, last word. Instead of they, you will write British. So your answer will be, British started exploiting peasants to earn more revenue, and as a result, the peasants became poorer. Many times, the peasants had to sell their jewelry to pay the revenue. A large number of peasants had to borrow money from the moneylenders and consequently fell into a debt trap. Farmers lost their land and agriculture suffered in many regions of India. Up to many regions of India. This is your 5.3 complete. Any doubts? Anybody? Yes. Yes. Any doubts? Anybody? Okay. Let's go. Yes. I can see your screen. As students, you can see Vaidya Radhika's screen. She has put the textbook, so you can know the starting and ending point of the answer. Now go to the page 41 of your workbook. How did lakhs of people die in Bengal in 1770? Again, page 32. Title Conditions of the Peasants. Seventh line. Bengal witnessed. 5.4. Page 32. Title Condition of Peasants. Seventh line. Bengal witnessed a terrible famine in the year 1770 CE in which lakhs of people died of starvation. Up to starvation. That's a 5.4 complete. Okay, I'm repeating. Okay, now number 5. Which revenue system was enforced by Cornwallis? Enforced means implemented or started. If you want, you can write the meaning in your workbook also. Which revenue system was implemented by Cornwallis? That is the question. The answer is again on page 32, last paragraph, first line. 5.5, page 32, last paragraph, first line. Governor General Lord Cornwallis enforced Permanent Settlement Act in order to collect revenue. As per this act, the company fixed the revenue on an annual basis, up to annual basis. That's a 5.5 complete. Any doubts? Okay. Number 6. Who gave rights to collectors to collect revenue and to give judgment? जो लेबर रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट करेंगे वही जजमेंट भी देंगे. Who started this rule? लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस. और ये जो रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट करते थे उनको बोलते थे कलेक्टर. ओके, जो कलेक्ट करेंगे वो कलेक्टर. एंड कलेक्टर कुड गिव द जजमेंट ऑल्सो. This system was started by Lord Cornwallis, and this is the answer. So I am dictating, write it directly. Lord Cornwallis. Check the spelling and writing on the screen. L capital, Cornwallis, C capital. Lord Cornwallis. Then remaining from the question. Give rights to collectors to collect revenue and give judgment. Lord Cornwallis gave rights to collectors to collect revenue and give judgment. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Okay. Number 7. Which feelings were aroused in people's minds regarding the British social reform policies? We know that British has did some of the good works also, some of the social reform also. But did the Indian people take it positively? No, they did not take it positively. Then how did they take it? What were the feelings? That is the question. Okay? And the answer is on page number 33. See the title, Effects on Social Life, second paragraph, first line. I repeat, 5.7, page 33. Title, Effects on Social Life, second paragraph, first line. The policy of social reforms by the company made people feel insecure and suspicious. They felt that the government was trying to convert them to Christianity and destroy the Indian culture and religion forever. Up to forever. That's a 5.7 complete. Any doubts? Okay, I'm repeating. Okay, now answer number 8. Which order was passed in Agra by the British government? There was a special rule in Agra. What was that rule? That is the question. Again on page 33, title effect on social life, second paragraph, fourth line. An order was, I repeat, 5.8, page 33, title effects on social life, second paragraph, fourth line. An order was passed in Agra that every Indian had to salute the British. Up to salute the British. That's your answer 5.8. Any doubts? Okay. Number 9. Which commodities were exported from India? Commodities means goods or items or things or products. And export means no. Export means to sell in foreign countries. यहाँ पर करते हो सेलिंग, फॉरेन कंट्रीज में करते हो तो एक्सपोर्ट एंड इम्पोर्ट. So what is the question that which country commodities were exported from India? इंडिया से कौन सी चीजें बाहर जाती थी in other countries? Okay, the answer is again on page number 33. Last paragraph, fourth line, last word. 5.9, page 33. Last paragraph, fourth line, last word. What is the word? Apart. Yes, start from there. Apart from textiles, commodities such as salt, saltpeter, sugar, etc. were exported. Up to were exported. It's a 5.9 complete. Any doubts? Okay, number 10. Number 10. Why did the materials produced in India become costlier in India itself? इंडिया में ही प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस होता था, फिर भी इंडिया में इट वॉज कॉस्टली. व्हाट वाज द रीजन? आर आउट डन ऑन द वीडियो. पेज 34. कैन यू सी द बॉक्स थिंग्स टू नो? बिलो दैट, बॉक्स के नीचे, सी द सिक्स्थ लाइन, द क्लॉथ. 5.10, page 34. There is a box given to us things to. Below that box, line number 6. The cloth manufactured in England was imported in India without levying any duty on it, whereas there were taxes up to 80% on the cloth manufactured in India. As a result, textile made in India became costlier in the Indian market itself. Up to Indian market itself. It's a 5.10 complete. Any doubt? Oh, very good. Here I cannot see your face. Okay. Now turn your page 42 in the workbook. Heat, Jayati, Maithil, all your videos should be on. I still cannot see Heat and Maithil. Okay. Who banned the cruel practice of sati? There was one Indian social reformer and the other was the British Governor General. Yes. Very good, correct. Who banned the cruel practice of sati? Write it directly, I am dictating. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. All the first letters should be capital. Raja Ram Mohan Roy and William Bentinck. Raja Ram Mohan Roy and William Bentinck, the remaining from the question, banned the cruel practice of sati. Banned the cruel practice of sati, S capital, full stop, complete. Any doubts? Okay, let's directly move to number 12. Who started English education in India? Chalo, tell me. It's Lord Macaulay. Write down from the screen. I'm writing the spelling. Lord L capital, Macaulay M capital. Lord Macaulay. Then from the question, started English education in India. Started English education in India. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Okay. Now comes your answer number 30. What did Gandhiji say about English education? We know that Gandhiji did not like the English education started in India. याद आ रहा है? तो the people who are going for English education, जो लोग इंग्लिश एजुकेशन के लिए जा रहे थे, उनके लिए what did Gandhiji say? That is the question. Okay, are you clear with the question? Okay, the answer is on page number 35. Page 35, third paragraph. Now in that third paragraph, नीचे चले जाओ, वहां पर आपको दिखेगा महात्मा गांधी कॉल्ड इट. थोड़ा आजू बाजू में ढूंढो, क्योंकि लाइन्स काउंट करें दूर दूर है. ठीक है. 5.13, page 35, third paragraph. Go somewhere below in the paragraph. महात्मा गांधी called. जिसको नहीं मिल रहा है वो रेज हैंड करो. पिक्चर के नीचे तो लंबी लाइन है ना, उसमें सेकेंड लाइन आएगा. आगे सब आधी है और पूरी जो लाइन है उसमें सेकेंड आएगा. ओके, सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. Mahatma Gandhi called it as to give millions the knowledge of English is to enslave them. That by receiving English education we have enslaved the nation. Up to enslave the nation. It's a 5.13 complete. Any doubts? Okay, number 14. Why did the British government start the facility of railway, post and telegraph? Britishers ने क्यों स्टार्ट किया था हमारे लिए? Yes, they started it for their convenience. Again, I am dictating, you write it directly from the question itself. The British government, B capital. The British government started the facility of railway, comma, post and telegraph for the convenience in running their administration, running, RUNNING, running their, 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 running their administration smoothly. In running their administration smoothly, अपने फायदे के लिए किया था. ओके, full stop, complete. I repeat, the British government started the facility of railway, post and telegraph for the convenience in running their administration smoothly. Any doubts? Okay, now let's go towards the last short answer. Why did Macaulay start English education in India? We know that he started English education. What was the reason? Okay, अभी आधा आंसर मैं डिक्टेट करूंगी, आधा मार्क करेंगे. तो पहले लिखो, Macaulay started English education in India. English E capital. Education in India I capital. So that अभी दैट के बाद मार्क करेंगे. ठीक है, आपने क्या लिखा है? मैक्यूले स्टार्टेड इंग्लिश एजुकेशन इन इंडिया सो दैट. अभी जाओ पेज 35 पे. आस्था जस्ट वेट बेटा. अभी पेज 35 पे कैन यू सी योर 5.13 गेटिंग कंप्लीटेड? ओके, लाइन में आगे जाओ. द ब्रिटिशर्स कुड गेट. Page 35, where your 5.13 gets completed. Same line, थोड़ा आगे जाके the Britishers could get. अभी the का T करो, क्योंकि हमने so that तक तो लिखा है. ओके, तो the small कर दो and your answer will be so that the Britishers could get educated workforce due to the introduction of English education. Up to English education. That's your 5.15 complete. Yes, Astha, what is your doubt? Okay, now let's move to 6.1. Brief and detailed answers are given. How were the peasants of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa ruined? First of all, what do you mean by the word ruined? Yes, ruined matlab destroyed. Okay? Yes. So, how were the peasants of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa destroyed? Peasants mean farmers. Sachi, please don't speak in between without raising hands. I am also disturbed. Other students are also getting disturbed. यहाँ पर मैं बोल रही हूँ और बैकग्राउंड में तुम अपना शुरू कर दोगे, कितना डिस्टर्बेंस आता है. हम लोग ऑफलाइन तो बैठे नहीं है. यू ब्रेक द लिंक बेटा. Yes, 6.1 peasants. Peasants meaning farmers. So what is our question? How were the farmers destroyed? Which farmers? Bengal, Bihar, Orissa. Okay, the answer is on page 32. See the title, conditions of peasants, first line. 6.1, page 32, title, condition of peasants, first line. Did you all get the starting point? The British got a... Yes, start from there. The British got a new opportunity to increase their income after the acquisition of the Diwani rights. फिर ब्रैकेट नहीं लिखना है हमको, कट द ब्रैकेट. Of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. They started exploiting peasants to earn more revenue, and as a result, the peasants became poorer. Many times, the peasants had to sell their jewelry to pay the revenue. A large number of peasants had to borrow money from the money lenders and consequently fell into a debt trap. Up to debt trap. That's a 6.1 complete. Those who are having doubts, raise your hands. I will ask you one by one. Chalo, now comes your 6.2, page 43 of the workbook. What was the result of the settlement? Permanent Settlement Act, which was started by लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस ने परमानेंट सेटलमेंट एक्ट स्टार्ट तो कर दिया, बट आफ्टर दैट एक्ट what happened to the farmers? That is the question. The answer is again on page 32, last paragraph, second line, as per this act. I repeat, 6.2, page 32, last paragraph, second line. Did you all get the starting point? As per this act, the company fixed the revenue on an annual basis. The zamindars, that is landlords, here you will write the bracket. Okay? Up to the end of the paragraph, crops were exploited. That's the 6.2 complete. Do you want me to read the full paragraph? Okay, chalega? Thank you very much. Any doubts in the answer? ठीक है चलो. Now we don't have so much of time and 6.3 में मार्क करने में भी थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. So 6.3 and 4, 2 are only left. So these two answers I'll give you in the next lecture and then directly we will start chapter 7. Okay? अभी अगर किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, raise your hands. सब एक साथ मत बोलना. Okay, those who have any doubts, you can raise your hands. I will solve it one by one because we have only 2 minutes left and we cannot start the new question. Chalo, any doubts? Yes, I can see Heer raising the hand. Yes, Heer, bolo beta. Okay, no one is raising the hands.